Welcome back to the Smoke and Mirrors nail blog. Today we're going to be looking at a couple pumps for liquids from Beauticom. I thought I'd do an unboxing video on these. I bought them with my own money on Amazon.com, and I just wanted you to see what you would get if you were to purchase these items. The company offers different colors. I opted for a clear for my acetone and white for alcohol. So they just come in a little plastic sleeve that you can pull off. And if you're a nail tech, you need to be labeling your chemicals. If you were to get audited, you would want them to see that you had labeled everything. So it's really important to have this. The lid just pops open like that. And this is the pump. You would press your cotton pad against this to get acetone in this case. Here's what the alcohol bottle looks like. Very similar pump. So I'm going to fill these up and we will test them out. Okay, so I've added pure acetone to the acetone labeled container. And you can see the lid goes on nicely. This is a perfect size. You can see it's 3 or 4 inches tall. If you add the lid, maybe 5 or 6, and it's the perfect size for your nail table. I have got 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol in this bottle, which is what I use to cleanse the inhibition layer for all of my gels. So let's test them and see if the pumps work. Usually I would be using a lint-free pad, but for now I'll just use a cotton ball. Oh yeah. It took a few pumps to prime it, but it got soaked. I've had some pumps. Oh yeah, okay, so within like 5 pumps, the alcohol starts to come out. I've had some pumps that did not consistently pump the liquid out, which is really frustrating when you're trying to get a set of nails done. So overall, they look pretty good. Like I said, they have different colors to fit any decor. I just chose something that would go with whatever color I choose in my nail area. So those are the pump bottles from Beauticom. I'll leave the link below. Thanks for watching.